Welcome to Ghanvarsha. In today's session, we will be discussing Tejas Networks, a company that was incorporated in the year 2000. Tejas Networks is engaged in the design and manufacturing of wireline and wireless network products. In this video, we will focus on both the fundamentals and technical aspects of the company. Additionally, we will take a close look at Tejas Networks' stock chart to understand its market performance. Stay tuned as we explore the key factors that make this company noteworthy for investors and students alike. Before we proceed with the actual content of this video, I'd like to make an important note. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Please do not make any investment decisions based solely on the information provided here. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before taking any position in stocks. Now, let's get to the main content and dive into the details of Tejas Networks. As I mentioned earlier, Tejas Networks is engaged in the design and manufacturing of wireline and wireless networking products. These products are primarily used by telecom service providers, but the company's customer base also includes internet service providers, ISPs, critical infrastructure, web-scale companies, and government agencies. Currently, Tejas Networks is part of Panatone Finvest Limited, which is a subsidiary of Tata Sons Private Limited. If we look at the company's product portfolio, we can categorize their offerings as wireline products, FTTX, fiber to the X, optical transport, switches and routers, wireless products, 4G per G RAN, radio access network, SATCOM, satellite communication, broadcast radio, network management and monitoring, network management, element management. Now, let's talk about the order book. As of the end of FY24, Tejas Networks has an impressive order book worth 8,221 crore rupees, with the majority of this coming from India, 7,958 crore rupees, and a smaller portion from international markets, 263 crore rupees. The company also has several subsidiaries and step-down subsidiaries. Subsidiaries: Tejas Communication Pte. Limited, 100% ownership. Tejas Communications, Nigeria, Limited, 100% ownership. Sankhya Labs Private Limited, 64.4% ownership. Step-down subsidiaries: Sankhya Strategic Electronics Private Limited, Sankhya Labs Inc., USA. In terms of geographical presence, Tejas Networks operates in 75+ countries, with international revenues accounting for around 15% of the total revenues. The company has a presence in key markets like the USA, UK, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, UAE, Bangladesh, Philippines, Singapore, Malaysia, and many others. Lastly, when it comes to competition, Tejas Networks faces competition from major global players such as Nokia, Huawei, and China. With this overview, we can now take a closer look at the company's fundamentals and performance on the stock chart. Tejas Networks' current market price is around 1,207 rupees, and its book value stands at 217 rupees. The stock is currently trading at a price-to-earnings (PE) ratio of 45.5, which is slightly higher than the industry PE ratio of 44.6. The company's 52-week high is approximately 1,495 rupees, while the 52-week low is around 651 rupees. Looking at the company's shareholding pattern, promoter holding is at 55.4%. Public holding stands at 30.2%. Foreign institutional investors, FII, hold about 9.58%. Domestic institutional investors, DII, own around 4.76%. The company has a debt of around 2,911 crores rupees, but it also has reserves amounting to 3,546 crores rupees. Additionally, Tejas Networks holds investments worth 451 crores rupees. As for the competitors in the industry, one of the key players is GTL Infrastructure. Let's now look at the company's quarterly results for June 2024 and September 2024. In June 2024, the company reported sales 1,563 crores rupees, operating profit 230 crores rupees, other income 13 crores rupees, net profit 77 crores rupees. In September 2024, the company posted sales 2,811 crores rupees, other income 11 crores rupees, net profit 275 crores rupees. This shows significant growth in sales and net profit from June 2024 to September 2024. Now, if we look at the profit and loss account for the financial years. In March 2023, the company's net sales were around 922 crores rupees, with a net loss of 36 crores rupees. However, in March 2024, the company's sales grew to 2,471 crores rupees, and it turned profitable with a net profit of 63 crores rupees. A key indicator of the company's performance is its one-year stock price compounded annual growth rate, which stands at an impressive 39%. Additionally, the company has demonstrated an outstanding compounded profit growth of 793% for the current year. Finally, let's take a closer look at Tejas Networks' technical chart to gain a better understanding of its market trends and stock performance. We have the 1-year chart, 5-year chart, as well as the MACD and Relative Strength Index, RSI, charts. Looking at the 5-year chart, we can see a consistent uptrend in the stock price. From 2021 to 2024, the stock has been trading between two parallel trend lines. In May 2024, the stock price broke above the upper trend line, and since then, it has consistently been trading above this level, which is a positive sign for potential future growth. Now, let's take a look at the 1-year chart. Here, we can observe that the stock has encountered resistance around 1,212 rupees. If the stock manages to decisively break this resistance level, it could potentially move to higher levels. This is an important level to watch for any upward momentum. Moving on to the Relative Strength Index, RSI, the current reading is around 42, which is considered a neutral to positive zone. This indicates that the stock is neither overbought nor oversold, which can suggest stability and potential for growth. Lastly, let's review the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, chart, which currently shows a negative trend. While this could indicate some short-term weakness, it's important to monitor how it evolves over time. To conclude, this analysis is for educational purposes only. Please make sure to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share in the comments whether you have invested in this stock or not, and what your analysis is regarding its future movement. Do you think the stock will continue to move upward? Write your opinions in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights and updates.